Hello everybody, this is Patty's Southern Kitchen and more. How is everybody doing today? I hope all is well. I welcome all of you in this afternoon. It is Sunday, and please like, ring the bell, and leave a comment. I would appreciate it. Well guys, I am going to make a treat for my grandson, Jeremiah. This is something that he's asked me to make, and he loves Jello. Generally, I would get the little gelatin cups, but I told him that I would make him some Jello from scratch. Now, usually, I know this is not the gelatin cup, but usually I will get buy the gelatin cups like this for him. But I am going to make him some orange Jello, and I am going to put the fruit cocktails in them. So I will drain the fruit cocktail and put them in the Jello. But first off, I am going to open this box of orange, and it's artificially flavored, but I am going to open this. And this is something that my mother used to make, especially on Sundays when I was a child growing up. And this is the pack of Jello. It comes in a pack like this. I am going to get ready and put it in. I have thoroughly washed my bowl here, and I'm going to pour it in the bowl. And how is everybody's Sunday going? What is your weather like? My weather was in the 50s this morning, but now it is 77, which is still pleasant. So I am going to pour the Jello in like this in the bowl. And this is the bowl that I am making it in. And I have my kettle, and I have boiled 2 cups of water. This is a 4-cup measuring cup, but I put in 2 cups. So this is the boiling water. And you just stir and stir for about 2 minutes to make sure it is smooth. Yes, this is going to be good, and I know he will enjoy it. It has to gel in the fridge for about 4 hours, so I will have to show you the end product once it is done gelling. Okay, I'm just stirring it around. And I am going to measure 2 cups of cold water. I want to make sure I don't have any lumps, that is well blended. And I'm doing it with my whisk. And with this water being so hot, it dissolves pretty quickly. It looks like it's okay now. Is everybody having a relaxing day today? My day has been a relaxing day. Okay, now I am going to put in 2 cups of cold water. And I will be using the alkaline water. This is what I'm going to use to put in. I will measure it in this cup. Let's see here. Okay. 2 cups of cold water. There you guys see. I'm starting to pour it in. Let's see what we have here. Gotta have 2 cups of the cold water and stir that in. Okay. Okay, and this is the cold water. 2 cups of the cold water. So, I'm going to pour this right in. Yes. 2 cups of cold water. And we're going to stir this around. 2 and 2. 2 cups of hot water, and I boiled my water in the kettle to make sure it was good and hot. And it is. Okay, now I have my fruit cocktail. I've thoroughly washed this can, and I am going to open this and drain the juice from it because I don't need the juice. So, got it all in here draining. See, I am draining it in this cup. Gonna drain it well, and then I'm going to stir it in my gotten, and you can see the juice in the cup that came out of it. Okay. So now I'm going to carefully put it in the Jello. This is the fruit cocktail going in. Okay. All of those wonderful fruits. Okay. I'm stirring stirring too fast here. This is going to be delicious. I know it is. Let me kind of clean up my mess. And that's all there is to it, guys. If you want to make old-fashioned Jello with fruit cocktail, this is how you do it. And this is what the bowl looks like. You can see the fruit in it. So, what I'm going to do now, I have a top that I'm going to put in it. Put over it. Okay, here's the top that I'm going to put over it. And guys, let you get another look. And it is going in the fridge. And once it is all gelled, I will come back and show it to you. But that's the process, and it's over. So guys, I thank you so much for joining in. Thank you for all of the likes, the comments, and the thumbs up. I really appreciate you watching it. I appreciate everyone coming in and supporting. And just want you to get a last look of the orange Jello with the fruit cocktail. So guys, this is Patty. Have a great day. Have a great rest of this Sunday as the week begins today. I thank you for coming in, and I pray that your week will be wonderful. And I will talk to you guys in the next video or the next live. Talk to you soon. Bye.